Councilman Clayton Perry's had a change of venue for his DWI and hit and run cases. It appears he's trying to get into a specialty court for veterans. Garrett Berger talked to an attorney who explained how that could help Perry get a special deal on his 2 Class B misdemeanor charges.
Clayton Perry.
Here, Your Honor. When Councilman Clayton Perry first appeared in court a month ago, he was one of many on the docket for Judge Yolanda Huff in County Court 12. But he won't be again.
Instead, both his cases have been transferred here to County Court 6, also known as the home of the Bexar County Veterans Treatment Court.
Judge Erica Dominguez would not confirm anything about Perry's case or why he was transferred to her court. But the specialty court she oversees has some very clear advantages, with 2 tracks offering probation or ultimately a dismissed case.
Generally, before somebody enters the program voluntarily, they're going to be given an offer that will avoid any type of conviction on their record.
The Veterans Treatment Court was set up to help vets who suffer from PTSD, traumatic brain injuries, mental illness, or addiction, providing more leniency in exchange for going through its program. Though DWI attorney Joe Holscher, who is not affiliated with Perry's cases, says not every veteran can get in.
It has to be a service-related disability linked to the drinking or substance abuse. It cannot be somebody going out and having a good time.
That's a line you might remember from body cam video of the night Perry's accused of driving drunk and fleeing a crash scene.
I had a good time.
The councilman retired from the Air Force in 2000, more than 2 decades ago. It was not clear if he's been accepted for the VTC, which is up to the district attorney's office. Even if he doesn't end up on the specialty court side, Holscher says the councilman would still be on Judge Dominguez's regular docket instead of Judge Huff's, who, he points out, has been quoted in the Express News about DWI needing to be punished more harshly.
His attorneys have done a great job. They've moved him from a court that would be tough into a court that would be easier, regardless of what happens with the VTC.
Perry's attorney declined to comment. The councilman is next scheduled to appear in court on March 9th. Garrett Berger, KSAT 12 News.
Keep up to date with all of San Antonio's top news, weather, and so much more by clicking the like and subscribe buttons below. And once again, thanks for watching KSAT.